Yeah.
So, Christopher,
Uh-huh.
what am I having now for dinner?
I'm making a frittata.
Frittata, what's that?
It's an omelette.
Oh, don't make fun of me. So, what do we make? So, what do you have to do?
I'm going to fry the bacon for a few minutes.
Yeah, and then and what else?
Then I'm going to fry the red pepper for another 5 minutes.
Okay. God, there's a lot of bowls here.
And then the
Spring
onions for a few minutes as well.
You're doing that first, okay?
Yeah, that's first.
We'll go then. Don't we? Are we having this tonight?
Tonight.
All right. You can make this without bacon, I'm sure, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. What kind of bacon is it?
Smoked streaky bacon.
Can I just use normal bacon?
I'm not sure why you don't use fat bacon, probably it's thicker.
Can I use fake bacon? What? Alright.
Is it cardboardy?
I don't know. I don't use it fake bacon. So how long have you been frying that?
That's been about 5 minutes.
What are these?
This is frozen peas.
Frozen?
Uh-huh.
Oh, right. Oh, they're frozen. Alright, good. When do you put the egg in?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. How long are you going to put them in here?
Just to sort of warm them through.
What did you just put in?
I've just added the shredded basil.
Basil and frozen peas. Basil.
So just warming these through.
So you fried off the bacon until about 5 minutes, the pepper for a couple of minutes, 15 minutes, and the spring onions are in there as well.
For about 5 minutes. Yeah. So I'm waiting for you to stop interfering. And then I'm going to add the goat's cheese.
Goat's cheese?
Uh-huh.
How much?
So about 120 grams, roughly.
Alright. You got some technique going on there, haven't you? Are you going to use all that pot, or no?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah.
Alright. Exciting. Goat's cheese. What are you doing?
The 8 eggs with parmesan and some pepper. And you just pour this in.
Ooh. So, how long have you fried that for?
It's not a sort of a time thing, it's kind of until it started to set around the edges, really.
And what are you going to do now with it?
And then you just put it under a hot grill
Alright.
to finish off the top.
Okay. For how long?
Again, until it's cooked through.
Okay. Grill in the pan?
Yeah.
Look at that go. And so what do you serve it on?
Just with a few salad leaves.
Ah. Salad leaves, and that is your frittata. Goat's cheese frittata on what? So that's your frittata, goat's cheese frittata, and that's what, on spinach or lamb?
Salad leaves.
Salad leaves. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, isn't it? Oh, that's cooking with Chris.